Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the following tool. Splitwise is a fantastic tool for managing shared expenses, whether you're splitting bills with roommates, tracking vacation costs with friends, or even figuring out who owes what in a group project. It streamlines the often awkward process of reminding people about money they owe and simplifies settling up. The platform is user-friendly and accessible through both a website and mobile apps, which is a major plus. You can create groups for different spending scenarios, like a shared household or a specific trip, and add individual expenses as you go. Splitwise allows you to itemize expenses, so everyone can clearly see what they're being charged for, which adds an extra layer of transparency. Another really useful feature is the ability to assign different payment methods, whether it's cash, Venmo, PayPal, or something else entirely. This flexibility makes settling up incredibly convenient, no matter how your group prefers to handle payments. Plus, the app keeps a running total of who owes whom, eliminating any confusion or guesswork. Splitwise takes the hassle out of shared finances and, in my experience, has been a lifesaver in numerous situations. If you're constantly juggling shared expenses, I highly recommend checking it out. It's truly a game changer for keeping track of who owes what and avoiding those uncomfortable money conversations. Finally, the integration with other payment apps makes settling up a breeze. From splitting rent and utilities to tracking shared meal costs, Splitwise simplifies group finances and ensures everyone pays their fair share. So, if you're looking for a more organized way to manage shared expenses, give Splitwise a try, you won't regret it.